to all the segments that have been given, how is he looking at the number, and where is the disappointment really creeping in from? Because the food segment that we were just talking, you saw Tata Consumer Products doing fairly well, Nestle also for that matter on that level. But how is this division stacking up for HUL, and what's your assessment on the overall segmental breakup for this company?
Afternoon, Nikki. No, so as Sanjay rightfully mentioned, I think volumes are a tad below what the markets were expecting. And clearly, if you look at the segmental reporting that HUL has done, obviously home care, with which detergents becomes a huge part, has done exceeding. The personal care segment and the foods segment for HUL have seen a low single-digit volume growth. Obviously, I think the culprits have been the inflationary pressures that most FMCG companies have probably faced as headwinds. But to a certain extent, the reported numbers from Tata Consumer and Nestle, they have probably navigated that well. Now, they've got an entire slide, Nikki, in terms of their presentation on how the inflation cost is expected to soften out. We've seen crude prices soften, soda ash, caustic soda, crude oil prices, crude palm prices soften out, but milk prices, both powder and skim milk, still remain elevated. To a certain extent, inflationary pressures are expected to come off. So to that bit, I think the kind of margin hits that the company is used to take might start tapering off. But I think the commentary related to the second half recovery and volume growth with price cut that is expected to take, I think that will hold the key for HUL and FMCG companies.